Hello everyone. For today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it would be nice to share with you an easy triumph effect. You have a regular deck of cards, and what you want to do is have the spectator just go ahead and select any card they want. Let's say they picked that card right there. They look at it, remember it, and hold on to it. And while they hold on to it, I'm going to separate the deck into 4 separate but equal piles of cards, okay? I'm going to take these 2 piles, turn them over, and I'll just shuffle some cards face up, some cards face down, okay? Square those up, shuffle these cards face up, face down, okay? Square these up, and now I'll shuffle these. So we have a mixture of face up and face down cards in a regular deck of cards. Now, if I go ahead and give the deck a magic tap, the cards should be able to tell me what card you selected. And it looks like I have the ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm missing a 9. 10, jack, queen, king of clubs. So I think they're trying to tell me that you must have selected the 9 of clubs. Was that correct? And that's Play It Straight Triumph, and it's an easy effect to do. And before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. You do use a regular deck of cards, and I do it a little bit different than the normal way of doing this trick. But you have a little setup that's involved with this trick before you perform it. And you want to get all of one suit separate from the other cards, okay? So you just have a regular deck of cards, you have one suit out, and then just a mix of all the other cards, okay? And now you want to put the suit in order, so ace through king, king through ace, and it really doesn't matter which way you set them up, because you're going to put these cards on top of the deck. Now in this case I have the king on top, so when I spread them out, when they come face up, the king will be first, so just keep that in mind. If you have them set up with the ace on top, so just reverse this order, you'll have the ace first, and then when you spread them out, they'll be in that order, okay? So that's just the setup, okay? So if you're doing like other tricks, like controlled cut or whatever, you can still use whatever setup you use with that trick, and then go into this one, okay? So you have all the clubs in order, okay? And you place those just on top of the deck, okay? So when you have that, you can show the backs of the cards, regular deck, and then you can show you have a regular deck. If you want, just don't show the top 13 cards, okay? So if you just quickly show you have a regular deck of cards, no one's gonna notice that you have one suit on top, okay? Now, that's your setup, you're ready to perform. What you're gonna do, you have the clubs on top, and so what I do is kind of like similar to what a classic force is. You cut the cards, clubs are on top here, and then finish the cut and just keep a break of where you cut the cards, okay? And in a classic force, you would be forcing just one card right here. But now, since you have all 13 clubs on top of this stack here, the spectator can pick one of 13 cards. So it's a little bit easier to get them to pick one of 13 cards than it is just one card. So you have a break, you know where the clubs are. When you spread the cards out, you say, go ahead and just select any card you want, and you're forcing them to pick one of these 13 cards, okay, in the third quadrant of the deck. And so they can pick any one of these. Say they pick that card right there, okay? They look at it, you don't know what it is, they hold on to it. Now you just separate the deck into 4 piles, and what you're doing is just flicking through the cards, looking for the first club, okay? So in this case, it would be the king, because we had it, the ace was on top, the king was on the bottom of our club stack. So we're just looking for the king. That's where we'll stop, put that pile down on the table, and then just flick through all the clubs, take that pile out and put it on the table, okay? So these are all the clubs here. And then you just continue as normal, just separate the rest of the cards into 2 separate piles on the table, okay? Pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, pile 4, okay? These are all the clubs. Spectator doesn't know that. Pile 1 and pile 3, you just flip over, okay? It's that easy. And now shuffle pile 1 and pile 2 together, starting with your left hand, okay? Starting with pile 1 and then ending with pile 2, okay? So you start pile 1 and then end with pile 2. So you get a face down card on top when you put them together. And you can show at this point that you've shuffled these cards together, okay? Square these up, and then the other way of doing this trick is that you would flip this over and then shuffle. We don't flip over here, okay? So we just take these 2 piles and then just shuffle them together, just keeping the face down card as the last card on top, okay? And then when you square these up, as if you're squaring them up using the table to help square them up, you're flipping the deck over, okay? So you have to flip it over 1 time and then shuffle the rest of the cards, okay? So now you have these. Pretend like you're squaring up the deck again, and then if you flip the deck over, spread them out, you can show quickly that it looks like you have a mixture of face up and face down cards, but what you really have is just the 1 suit shuffled in. There's only 13 or 12 actually face down cards that you're showing, but when done quickly, it looks like you have a well mix of face up and face down cards, okay? Flip the deck over 1 more time, give it your magic snap, and then when you spread them out, all the clubs or whatever suit you use will be face up, and you should have 1 missing, which is their card that they selected. So you have ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like we're missing the 10 of clubs, jack, queen, king. You say, was the 10 of clubs your card? They turn it over, and boom. That is Play It Straight Triumph, and it's simple to do. And then once you separate all the clubs out of the deck again, you're pretty much set up to do the trick again if you were gonna go do it to somebody else, okay? So all you gotta remember is to pull out 1 suit. Now I have king on top. When you cut the cards, just remember where you cut, and that's where, when you spread the cards out, you have 13 choices that you're forcing the spectator to pick. Say they picked that card right there. Square them up, separate into 4 piles. Look for the first club here, okay? In this case, it's the ace because the king was on top. Separate all the clubs, and then just separate these into 2, okay? Pile 1, pile 3, face up, shuffle these in, shuffle these in, just normally, okay? Now you square them up, flip the deck over, and then shuffle these in. And then if you want to show, you flip the deck over 1 more time, show that they're all mixed up, mixture of face up, face down cards, and then flip the deck over 1 more time, and when you spread them out, they're in king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 8, 7, missing the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You must have picked the 6, and boom, there it is. Okay, Play It Straight Triumph, pretty easy to do. Please let me know what you think. If you haven't already, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps it out. I appreciate it, and until next time.